Rahim. Assalamu alaikum class. Last time I have given you homework of question number 20, verify De Morgan laws. There were the two parts of De Morgan laws. One part we have solved in the class and second part I have given you homework. So let us solve that part and then we will move towards question number 21 and 22. This is the second part of De Morgan laws. A intersection B whole complement equal to A complement union B complement. There are two sides, one is the left side and another is the right side. So we have to prove both sides should be equal. First we will take left hand side. Left hand side equal to A intersection B whole complement. Here we first solve A intersection B, then we will solve the complement. First we do A intersection B. A set is 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, 16, 20 and B set is 2, 6, 10, 14 and 18. We will find the intersection. The common elements are 2, 8 and 10. This is the intersection of A and B. Now we will subtract this intersection A intersection B from U. U set is 1 to 20. We will subtract A intersection B. We will get our answer as 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11 up to 20. So this is the answer of A intersection B whole complement. Now we will take right hand side. Right hand side is A complement union B complement. First we will solve A complement, then we will solve B complement. In A complement we will subtract A from U. U is 1 to 20 and we will subtract A. A is 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, 16, 20. After subtracting this set from this set, we will get 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19 as our answer of A complement. Then we will find B complement. B complement is U minus B. We will subtract B from U. We will get 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 13, 15, 16, 17 and 20. Our answer of B complement. Now we will do union of A complement and B complement. In union we write the number in order wise. So we get our answer 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is the answer of right hand side. We can see here the answer of right hand side is equal to the left hand side. Hence both sides are equal. Now let us move towards the question number 21. Question number 21 is verify the commutative property of the union and intersection for the following sets. A set is 1 to 5, B set is 3, 5, 7, 9. We have to prove the commutative property of the union. As we know that in union there are the two sets A and B and we have to find the union of two sets. Commutative property of the union is A union B should be equal to the B union A. First we will find A union B. We will get answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. This is the answer of A union B. Then we find B union A. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. So this is the answer of B union A. The answer of A union B is equal to the answer of B union A. Hence left hand side equal to right hand side. Similarly, as we have done commutative property of union, similarly we will do commutative property of the intersection. But here A intersection B should be equal to B intersection A. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is 3, 5, 7, 9. We will do intersection. In intersection the common elements in both sets are 3 and 5. So this is our answer of A intersection B. Similarly we find right hand side, that is B intersection A. First we will write the set of B, then we will write the set of A and the answer will be 3 and 5. Here the answer of A intersection B is 3 and 5 and the answer of B intersection is 3 and 5. So left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence we have proved the commutative property of intersection. There is a D part, there is a B part and B part is also the same. In this part also we have to find the commutative property of the union and commutative property of the intersection. The sets given here are in set builder form. So let us understand what are the elements of the set. Here x belongs to positive integer and x is less than 5 equal to 5. So the element of x are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The element of B, the x belongs to positive integer and the element lies between 1 and 4. Both 1 and 4 are included, so the element of B will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to find the commutative property of the union. Commutative property of union is A union B equal to B union A. First we will find the left hand side, that is A union B. Here A union B, A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B set is 1, 2, 3, 4. Their union will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will move toward another side, that is right hand side, and in right hand side we will find B union A. B is 1, 2, 3, 4 and we will find union with A set, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The union of both sets will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer of this side is equal to the left hand side, hence both answers are same. So we can say A union B is equal to B union A. Left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. Here another operation we have to perform, that is commutative property of intersection. A intersection B should be equal to B intersection A. Finding first A intersection B, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4 as our answer. Then we will find right hand side, that is B intersection A. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The common element in both sets are 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our answer of right hand side. See this answer and also see here this answer. Both answers are same, so we have proved our property left hand side equal to right hand side. Verify the following property for the sets given below. This is the question number 22. We have to find the associative property of union and intersection. If we look at the book, this question is given as verify the following properties for the sets given below. First case is associative property of the union and intersection. There are two parts given. One part is A part, another part is B part. Similarly in second part we have to find the distributive property of union over intersection, and in third part distributive property of intersection over union. So we have to find all the cases in A as well as in B. So first let us find the first part, associative property of union and intersection in A part. Then we will find same case in question number B. The sets given here are different for A and the sets given here are different for B. So we will find first case in both sets. The sets given in A and the sets given in B. So let us move towards our first case and in A part. First question is associative property of union and intersection, and the first case for A is the sets given here are A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set of B is 2, 4, 6, 8. Set of C is 4, 8, 10, 12. We have to find the associative property of union. Then we will find the associative property of intersection. As we know that there are three sets in associative property. We usually take three sets in associative property: A set, B set and C set. We have already discussed the properties of the sets. The associative property of union is A union B union C equal to A union B union C. First we will solve left hand side. A union B union C. B union C is set of B, set of C. Then we have to find union, that is the arrangement of these number in order. After that we have to find again union with A. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we will find union with the B union C. We will get our answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. This is the answer of A union B union C. Similarly, this is our left hand side. Now we will find the right hand side, and right hand side is A union B union C. Then we will compare the answer of both sides. Here first we will find A union B. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then union with the B. B is 2, 4, 6, 8. A union will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Then we will find union C. A union B answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. This answer, and union with C. C is 4, 8, 10, 12. Then the union of all of these will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 10 12. The answer of this side is equal to the left hand side, so the right hand side is equal to the left hand side, hence we have proved. Now coming toward the second case, that is the associative property of the intersection. Here A intersection B intersection C is equal to the A intersection B intersection C. First we will take left hand side, that is A intersection B intersection C. First we have find B intersection C in this side, then we will find the intersection with the A. B intersection C is 4 and 8. Then we will have to find the intersection with A. A is 1 2 3 4 5. The intersection of this term will be equal to 4. Now coming to the right hand side. Right hand side is A intersection B intersection C. First we have to determine the A intersection B. A is 1 2 3 4 5. Intersection with the B is 2 4 6 8. The answer we will get 2 and 4 because 2 and 4 are common element in both sides. Now we will find the A intersection B with the intersection C. A intersection B is 2 and 4. Then intersection C with C, we will get our answer as 4. So this is our answer 4. Here we have proved left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. So class, we are moving towards next part, that is B part. But for that part you have to see the second part of this video.